Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing great at home and enjoying your live classes. Today I am here with a new topic which is adjective, your lesson number 10. So, at first, we will know about what is an adjective. Okay, the definition of the adjective is an adjective modifies or gives more information about noun or pronoun, which means an adjectives are the words which defines more about noun or pronoun or which add more information about noun or pronoun. Here are some information about adjectives. Adjectives tell us about the color, shape or size of noun or pronoun. Here you can see the adjectives tells about the particular color, shape or size of a noun or a pronoun, and those words are called adjectives. And some examples are white fat cat. Here you can see the word white fat are the adjective because these words defines more about the cat, which means the cat is a white and fat. The next one is round ball. Here you can see the word round is an adjective because this word defines the shape of a ball. That's why this is an adjective. The next is black hair. Here the word black is an adjective because this word defines the color of a hair. That's why black is an adjective. Adjectives also tell us the quantity of the noun or a pronoun, which means adjectives also give information about the quantity, which means in numbers about noun or pronoun. The first example is 3 sides. Here you can see in this triangle there are 3 sides and the word 3 defines the particular number of the sides of a triangle, which means 3 sides is the quantity of a triangle. That's why the word 3 is an adjective here. Second one is 5 apples. As you can see in the bucket there are 5 apples and the number 5 defines about the particular number of apples. That's why 5 is an adjective. The next is 12 months. Here you can see that word 12 defines more about the quantity of the months. That's why 12 is an adjective here. Next information is they tell us about some special qualities about noun or pronoun. Here you can see the adjectives also tell us about the special qualities of a noun or a pronoun. Here you can see an example. The first example is soft skin. The skin of a baby is very soft. That's why here soft is an adjective because this defines the quality of the skin of a baby. The next example is narrow streets. Here you can see the word narrow defines more about the street. That means streets are narrow. Narrow is a quality of the street. So the adjective is narrow here. The next example is fresh fruits. As you can see in the picture, there are so many fruits in a bucket and which are fresh. That's why here fresh defines the quality of the fruits. So fresh is an adjective. Now I think you all have understood about adjectives. So let's move to the exercise. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. Here what you have to do is I will show you some sentences and you have to underline the adjectives. So the first sentence is a square has 4 sides. Here you can see which word defines more about square. Yes, 4. That's why this 4 is an adjective because this 4 defines the quantity of the sides of a square. The next one is A crab has a flat round body and 5 pairs of legs. Here you can see there are two adjectives which are flat, round and 5 because these words defines more about the quality of a crab's body and legs. The next sentence is Jama Masjid is the largest mosque in India. Here find out which word defines more about the Jama Masjid. Yes, the answer is largest because this word defines the quality of a Jama Masjid. That's why here largest is an adjective. The next sentence is there are 206 bones in a human body. Here you can see the number 206 defines the quantity of bones of a human body. That's why they are adjectives. The next one is the mangoes are ripe and juicy. So here the words ripe and juicy describes the quality of mangoes. That's why they are adjectives. The next sentence is this question is important. Here the word important is an adjective because this word defines the quality of the questions. Okay, the questions are very important, which means important is an adjective. Next is Shreya has a sweet voice. Here you can see the word sweet defines the quality of Shreya's voice. That's why sweet is an adjective. The next sentence is the earth is round. Here you can see the word round defines the shape of a earth. That's why round is an adjective. Next sentence is Rachna won a gold medal. Here you can see the word gold defines more about the medal which Rachna won. That's why gold is an adjective here. And the last sentence is the Mehtab Bagh is very large. Here you can see which word defines more about the Mehtab Bagh. Yes, large. So that's why large is an adjective because this word defines the quality of Mehtab Bagh. This is it for today. In our next video, we will continue with the exercise of adjective. Till then, stay safe at home and enjoy your classes. Thank you so much. Bye-bye and take care.